Good morning. Happy weekend. Welcome back from Thanksgiving. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving with your family, and I'm thankful that you are here. It's Monday, it's the Bubba Show, and it's time to recap and preview. So last week when we recapped the market, we felt that anything could really happen. We thought that Monday and Tuesday would be, after Tuesday, Wednesday through Friday would be nothing, and we had a chance to possibly rally based on the lack of interest. And of course, we got a monster rally, even more than I expected. I wouldn't have ever expected to have that type of rally on Friday, but that's what happens when the mice are away, the cats will play, or the cats are away, the mice will play, and that's what happens. We had a market that simply zoomed up, but it did break. Technically it broke out of a lot of levels. It violated a lot of things that we were looking for. So you can't take it for granted. We have to be wary and aware of the situation around us. But I did warn not to be too involved in the markets at the end of last week, knowing that this was a possibility. Again, the size of the move was certainly unexpected, but the move itself was not. The lack of volume was not. And those are the things that when you're trading, you have to take into consideration as to what's going on and what gives you the best odds and probabilities to make the best decision. So we see that it was simply a market that wanted to do its very own, and it ran, and we broke out. So what are we looking for now? Well, certainly I can't in good conscience start saying, well, short. We have to now find some new qualifying levels. I think really what you have to do is you have to focus on the charts again and relook. Now, certainly 1430 back in the S&P would be a level that I'd want to look at as a possible short. I don't think, if for those of you who like to talk about fundamentals, nothing fundamentally changed in the last couple of days of the week. So, but we're not a fundamental trader. We're strictly looking at the technicals. This week, there will be a lot of news out that can drive the market. We've got Beige Book. We've got confidence numbers. We've got the whole kit and caboodle. We've got the Santa Claus rally. Maybe that's the start of it. Maybe not. Now, typically, after a big rally into Thanksgiving and the day after, the next week is a little bit down. That's just historically. But again, we don't trade history. We don't care. Okay? We know that gold now ran up to a possible resistance level. We know that crude is up there hanging around. We know that it feels that the market has the risk on face right now. Okay? Commodities ran a little bit at the end of the week. So what we're looking for is we're going to watch news. We're going to look for good levels. Today will probably be a hard day to really grasp what's going on because you now have to respect that 1390 to 1400 S&P is a possible support level. Okay, I personally still believe that we are going to probably have some selling pressure, but I'm not going to fight the tape. One of the things you can always rely on is don't fight the tape and don't fight what's going on. If it's not going your way, if the levels aren't holding, we need to step back and readjust and look for better levels. So, news this week, there will be a lot of things going on. I look for the market to find a place, a temporary top. It's really on the bulls' side if they're going to push this through. I don't think we'll go through 1430. I think that we're probably near the high for the year now. Now, it doesn't mean we can't hang around here. Okay, it just means that I don't foresee a major breakout. I think you start to see some things slowing down, and I think that we're going to have some nice trading going on through the next couple of weeks. But for the week, let's watch numbers, but really let's watch the charts. Let's see what's going on. Let's focus on the levels. So for right now, let's watch 1430 in the S&P and about 13.2 in the Dow as levels to take advantage from the short side. Until then, let's sit back and wait and be patient and cautious and disciplined. Remember Bubba's Picks, and just remember my Tuesday call. Hope to see you there. If you're not a part of it, please email me. Let me know. I'd love to have you on. The Bubba Show for Monday. We'll talk to you on Tuesday. Have a great day.